So this is the TensorFlow word embedding projector. So what word embeddings are is essentially just a way to represent words as numbers because that's a lot easier for computers to work with. And so if you play around with this tool, you can see I'm on this word right now, it's survey, and it looks like the closest words to survey, according to this, are research, geological, statistics, report, and census.
Mhm.
So you can see you might expect research, but you probably wouldn't expect geological next to survey.
I
And
wouldn't.
the reason for that is probably because the AI has been trained on a lot of data that uses these two words next to each other. So like a geological survey, if a lot of texts have that specific phrase, then that explains why geological is so close to survey. So playing around with this tool is always fun. Just to see, like what AI learning actually sort of looks like. And there's a lot of other cool tools as well that I probably
Oh,
don't have
that is so neat.
to touch on right now. But yeah, this word embedding projector is always fun.
And then you can like zoom into the different words and different clusters. Is that what you're able to do there?
Yeah, exactly.
That is so cool. Thank you for sharing that. I'm glad you were able to share your screen and let folks see that. That'll be